Hello everybody!
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Today is the second part of the series for, I think I called it God's Faith, God's Gift. So we're getting into the second part of the video, which is going to be
The Shield of Faith.
So the Shield of Faith is this thing in the Bible that we talk about. It's where you have such faith in and belief in God and his strength that that allows him to then protect you. And it's not just about like spiritual things, but it can also be about worldly things like a car crash or different things like that. But when you have that shield of faith in you and you carry it with you every day and you pray and you're like, God, I believe in you. I believe that you're going to protect me today. It allows him to then come into your life and protect you. Now, let's get into the video. So today's colors are going to be purple and yellow. However, as usual, you're always free to use whatever colors you would like. So let's get into it. First, we're going to start with the base. So the first color is going to be for the shield. And then the second color is for the designs of him. So for the first step, you're going to take your purple and you're just going to bring these ends together like this. And then about a fingertip length, you're going to measure out there. And right here at this pinch mark, you're going to tie it off together, just like that with the first part. And wrap it away, 1, 2, 3, 4, until this sharp piece is all that's left. You're going to fold that and tuck it just like this, and tuck it inside so that sharp piece does not hurt you. And then you're actually going to wrap this once, twice, and then when you have that little piece left in there, you're going to pinch it in and wrap it so that it doesn't hurt you either. Now, this is the step that I call sculpting. You're going to take this, and you're going to bend it out a little bit like this, almost like that. So you have like almost a circle shape, but it has a few angles in it. Now we're going to pinch this flat part here. You're going to bring it down like that. Spread it out. And then pinch at these two sharp corners here. So it has like a shield look for it. Round out the edges so that it has the design that it needs for it. Make sure that it's even. Once you complete this part, you're ready for step 2. So you're gonna take your second piece of purple or whatever color you're using. You're gonna put this piece here, about another finger's length. And then you're gonna wrap once, twice. Take that sharp piece here, pinch it, and fold it. Then you're gonna bring this here. This is gonna be the skeleton of your shield. And you're gonna pinch right here to where it ends. You're gonna wrap once, thread it through, and then tighten it. And then twice. Now you're going to take another purple piece. I have to fix this part right here because it's not as equal as I would like it to be. Just like that. And then you're going to take another purple piece, and right at that point as well, you're going to take about a fingertip's length. You're going to wrap once, twice, and then when you get to that sharp piece here, pinch it and tuck it in so the sharp piece doesn't hurt you. Now you're going to take it, bring it down like this, and you're going to wrap it right here when it reaches the other end of it. Once, twice. Now we're going to do something that is also a term in drawing, which we call shading in. So for this part, where we have the leftover spaces, we're just going to take our purple piece right here. We're going to bring it up, wrap once, and then bring it back down here and wrap it a second time. But the second time that you get down to here, you're going to wrap it off once, twice, take that sharp piece, fold it in so it doesn't hurt you. Now you're going to do the same thing for the other side. bring it down like this, bring it up, and then you're gonna pinch here. Make sure that you're pinching these parts in so that it does not move. That's very crucial. So you wrap it once, twice, and then here is where you tie it off. So wrap it, 2, 3, and then you're gonna pinch right here and tuck it inside. And you're basically halfway done. Now all we have to do is continue with this. We're gonna take another piece of purple here, bring the sharp piece right here with the tip's length for your finger, wrap it once, twice, tuck that sharp piece in, then you're gonna wrap here. And since this is towards the end of it, we're gonna wanna wrap it as well, because if we just leave it and try to fold it in, it's just gonna fall apart. So we're gonna wrap once around it, tuck through, thread that through, twice, and then bring it back up. And then we're gonna tie it one more time here. So we're gonna thread it through this corner. And we're just gonna do this one time. And then this is the step where you're gonna take your scissors about right here and cut a finger's tip length. I just cut it with my fingers, but don't do what I do. So you're gonna cut it like that, fold it inward, and fold it inside so it doesn't hurt you. Now we're gonna take another piece of purple. We're gonna start from this end. You're gonna tape it, take it here, and wrap it once, twice, not gonna lie guys, I lost it in there for a second, and fold it inward so it doesn't hurt you. Fold it up to this part, wrap it once, twice. Sorry, those are the kids in my neighborhood. And then you're gonna bring it back down here and wrap it once. Tie it off there. Actually, we're gonna wrap it one more time so that it has a nice even look there. And then you're gonna cut right there, about a finger's tip length. Fold it in and tuck it. Now we're gonna clean this up a little bit. Make sure that you didn't lose any of your edges, and if you did, just make sure to sharpen them up there. Basically just dressing it up so it looks good. This is the sculpting stage I was telling you guys about. Now, we're gonna take a leftover piece of purple here. We're gonna wrap about a finger's tip length here, turn it around once, fold it in here, and press it down. Now you're gonna take your purple, wrap once very gently, twice, 3 times, and in that little space right here where that is, you're gonna take your purple right there, and you're gonna thread that sharp piece in there so it doesn't hurt you. And this adds that little nice design and sharp effect for the bottom of your shield. Now this is gonna be the final step for this purple. You're gonna take one piece of purple like this. You're gonna take the tips together, match them, press, and pinch. And you're gonna pinch that all the way down. And that makes it perfectly even. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your purple like this and then slide it between these grooves. You're gonna bring them together like this very gently. And then right here at the base, you're gonna press it. Now you're gonna bring it up right where the center is. And then right here, you're gonna thread it once, right where the sharp point is. And you're gonna bring that other side, thread it once,
right where that sharp point is. This gives it that nice effect for the shield. Now we're going to take these last pieces. You're going to take the end together, pinch here, then you're going to wrap them, twist it, and then when you have those sharp pieces left, tuck. Now you're going to fold this inwards into that last bit that's left. Tuck it inwards, and we're almost there. We have the base of the shield. Now, for this part, you can choose whatever design you want here. I'm gonna take and make a cross because the content. You're gonna take about half your finger's length if you want to make the cross. You're gonna take it like this, wrap it around. Right where this sharp piece is, you're gonna wrap once, twice, 3 times. And then you're gonna cut it right here with a finger's tip length left, and you're gonna fold that sharp piece inwards and then tuck it so it doesn't hurt you. And now you're gonna take the rest of the yellow here. You're gonna take this sharp piece here. You're gonna take a little bit of it out, about a finger's tip length, fold it in on itself, and tuck it. You're gonna take about this much here. Since this is gonna be a cross, we're gonna measure it, make sure it's about even, and a little bit higher than this. You're gonna wrap once, twice. Make sure these are even. You're gonna take it like that until it's about this length. And then you're gonna pinch it about right there. You're gonna fold it upwards and then you're gonna thread it through. Now this could be a tricky step, so stay with me. Once you've threaded it through, make sure it comes back out like this. You're gonna take one of these purple pieces, you're gonna pinch it, bring it up. You're gonna thread this yellow piece right here through it, and then out through it. And then you're gonna squeeze and tighten that. And now at this point, you can take that yellow, cut right here with a little bit of the tip out. Just gonna cut it like that. And then you're gonna fold it in and tuck it. Now, for the rest of it, what you're gonna do is take a little piece of yellow like this. These are pre-cut, so you can cut your own too. Wrap it once tightly. And then you're gonna thread these 2 pieces right here that are left over through the other side. So you see how it gets threaded through? You're gonna pinch the yellow so it doesn't show through. You're gonna look at the other side, and with these last 2 pieces, you're gonna wrap once, twice, 3 times, and then you're gonna take those sharp pieces, tuck them like that, and tuck it inside. This is how you secure your design inward. I'm gonna pinch that piece a little bit inward so it matches. And there you guys go. You have your own shield. Now, if you want to dress it up a little bit and add a strap on the other side so you can put this on your characters, I can show you how to do that. For that part, you're gonna take a little bit of yellow. You're gonna take 1 piece of yellow like this, and then you're gonna pinch it in half with the tips lining up like this. You're gonna take these sharp pieces here, You're going to twist them together once, twice. Pinch, pinch together. Fold it inwards. Be careful not to touch the sharp pieces. And fold it one more time. So it's just a soft end. And then you're going to take it through these these purple pieces right here. Still looks good on the other side. And you just bring it through here. Now here's the hard step. You're going to take this purple and through this strand that it's already under, you're going to wrap it very gently. While you're holding down on this, you're going to make sure that you're pressing it to keep it downwards so that that yellow that's coming through stays behind this. So it makes your design look clean. Now you're going to do the same thing for this side. You're going to take it, thread it through just like that. Very gently. You're going to make sure that it's all still lining up. And just like that, you have your straps that you can wrap around your own character. And you can even thread it through like that. We're gonna mold it the last pieces together like this. And there you go, guys, your own shield. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.